Okay, recording is started. Good morning, one and all. Myself, Professor Smita A. Takalkar, as an assistant professor in ENTC department. Today, we will learn the MOSFET in metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. In metal coated of the transistor, and here semiconductor, it is a device to conducting the current. It's using oxide, SiO2, silicon oxide. Is the one important parameters will use the field effect transistor. Let's see the field effect transistor. The field effect transistor FET are the unipolar device. Unipolar device is a field effect transistor. It can be used single polarity device because it's unlike BJT bipolar junction transistor that use both the electrons and the whole current. Both the electrons and whole currents is moving only one direction. Which direction? It's choosing in negative charge carrier, because in field effect transistor the majority carrier of the charge only negative. That's why here majority carrier of the electrons atoms in n region as well as n channel you can use here. We can use electrons and hole. It is a current flowing through the circuit C. Then they operate. The field effect transistor operates only with one type of the charge carrier. Only one type, that is naming of negative charge carrier. It's a operating negative charge carrier. There are two types of the FET. The two main types of the FET, field effect transistor. It's a one type junction field transistor. Junction field transistor, and another one metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, MOSFET. In a junction field, it's a p-n junction formation, but here not in a p-n junction formation. This is the junction, only junctions formation of p and n to using a field effect transistor. You can see here there are BJT is a current control device because BJT is using a current flowing through the base terminal. Current flowing through the base terminal, and the base is less or lightly doping. Its diffusion process is very less. That's why current controlling of the terminal, base terminal, we can use a current control device. But the MOSFET and the FET is different. There are two types of the FET. One is the MOSFET and another is the JFET. But here it is three terminals. FET, field effect transistor FET, is a three terminal device. It is used for variety of applications. Variety of applications like a MOSFET as a switch, FET as a very low resistance we can use. Then high frequency applications, that type of the voltage regulator reactance, that type is used as a applications of the FET. Then it is similar to the bipolar junction transistor, very similar. This is the similar application is used as a switch. In a right side, you can see the transistor as a switch. In a transistor as a switch, there are two junctions. One junction is the base to emitter junction and another is the base to collector junction. Is applying the voltage, if applying the voltage base to emitter terminal, base to emitter terminal, increase the forward voltage VBE. Forward voltage, base emitter voltage is increasing, then the base current is also increasing. That's why diode conduction state in base to emitter junction, it's a current control device. Then FET is a voltage control device. How it is possible? The voltage applied between the gate to source. Here, voltage control device. In opposite side, you can see is the FET. Negative terminal, it's source. Positive terminal, it's gate terminal. Here, you can see the gate. Upper side is the drain and the lower side is the source. If the gate terminal is connected to the P substrate, is the line of black color line. This is line is shorted to the substrate. Here the substrate, you can see, is the substrate is connected to the P region and the gate terminal is connected to here N channel. N channel is different and N region is different. The drain is connected to the N region. The source is connected to N region and the gate terminal is connected N channel. That's why here majority carrier of the charge in electrons only. In N channel, this is also created here electrons. In N region, it is also created in a N region. The classification of MOSFET. The MOSFET is the type of the FET. One is the JFET and another is the MOSFET. JFET, it is not in your syllabus, but the MOSFET, the JFET is a unidirectional or unipolar. That is the FET we cannot use as a switch. The JFET is the bus MOSFET. What is MOSFET? The MOSFET, it is a 3-terminal device and that's also its use has a variety of applications. Then 3 terminals of MOSFET. Which 3 terminals we can use here? One is the drain terminal, another is the source terminal, and third one the gate terminal. But the gate terminal, it's act as controlling terminal. Here, in a gate terminal, it's act as controlling terminal. Which controlling? It's used as a voltage control device. Voltage controlled device. You can see BJT is a current control device, that is base current controls the amount of collector current. The base current, it controls to amount of the collector current. That's why here BJT we can use as a switch in current control device. But the FET is the different. It is a voltage control device. The maximum gate where the voltage between two of the terminals. Which two terminals? One is the gate terminal and another is the source terminal. But the gate terminals, it can be used controls the voltage through the gate terminal, and gate and source, it controls the current through the FET device. That's why FET is use very high input impedance. This is the feature of FET. It used as a input resistance. That's why here you can see in a structure, the gate terminal is connected to the P region and the P is shorted with the substrate. Its upper side of the drain, lower side, it is a source, and the source terminal is connected to the one point of the battery. This is the battery. The positive charge is connected to the cathode terminal, and negative charge is connected to the substrate. That's why here the source is connected, supply through the P channel, and the P is the P region, and in between the P region, in between here connected N channel. The drain is controlling, the gate is, you can use control the voltage, and drain terminal we can gate and source terminals we can control the current, and current where the drain terminal, through the drain terminal current is flowing through the circuitry. The drain terminal, the current is flowing through the circuitry. Next, here you can see this is the construction. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Neil, Aditya. Yes,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can understand there are
Yes,
three
ma'am.
terminals. The gate terminal, it is used for the voltage control device. Then gate and source terminal, we can control the current. Drain terminal, it used for the flowing the current. P substrate, it's used for the holes. N channel, that channel we can, the channel it is used as a electrons, and the separate N region, this is the N region, you can see. The drain terminal, the dark black color, it indicates metal contact, and the drain terminal is connected to the N region, and source terminal is connected to the N region. That's why here majority carrier of the electrons to create a negative charge. To create a negative charge. You can see for a N channel of MOSFET, the source it is S. The terminal emits the electrons. Source it emits the electrons, and drain will collect them to constitute the drain current. If the source terminal emits the electrons and drain terminal, we collect them through the current. All electrons collect the drain terminal and through the current, passing its current. Here you can see SiO2 layer. In a SiO2 layer, that is silicon dioxide layer, SiO2 layer. The gate terminal is connected through the source, gate to source. Where the voltage between the two terminals, gate and source, it's control the current. If gate terminal and source terminal, it controls the current. That's why you can see here the construction. SiO2 layer. If the voltage VGS, which voltage? Gate source voltage. Gate source voltage is equal to 0. Gate source voltage is equal to 0. And here the N channel. In a N channel, this created a negative charge because the majority of the carrier charge, it is a negative charge. The electron and then drain current. Here the drain current. In a drain current, it is also N region. It's a depletion region of N. Here, N dope region. Doping of the N regions, majority carrier of the charge, electrons only. In N channel, here also majority carrier of the electrons, negative charge. And source is also connected to the N region. That's why in a MOSFET, N channel depletion type. This is the depletion type. There are the types. In a classification of FET, there are two major types. One is the JEFT and another is the MOSFET. In a JEFT, it's a depletion region, depletion mode, only one type. But the MOSFET, one is the depletion and another is the enhancement. But in your syllabus, the directly enhancement MOSFET. First, I am explaining depletion mode, then enhancement mode. And P channel, in a P channel, it's a negative charge. N channel, it is a negative charge. P channel, it is a positive charge. Enhancement mode. This is also two types, N channel and the P channel. Then directly go through the MOSFET. The MOSFET, it's metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. If the MOSFET differs from JFET, it has no PN junction structure because it's only junctioning in one direction. But the PN junction, it's flow in both the way. That's why the gate of the MOSFET is insulated from the channel by a silicon dioxide layer. The gate of the MOSFET, the gate terminal, it is a MOSFET and it's insulated connected to the SiO2. Insulated, it's a non-conductive material. But the SiO2, silicon dioxide, it is a conductive material. That's why silicon material, silicon dioxide layer in the N channel connected to the N channel. Silicon dioxide, this SiO2 layer is connected to here N channel. Here P substrate, it's a P substrate, that's meaning of P region. Here P region and additional of the SS, this is the substrate. Additional of the substrate is connected to the metal contacts through the P region. Through the P region. This is you can see in a laboratory MOSFET. Likewise, one terminal is the gate terminal, center is the drain, and here the source. In the laboratory, you can see in a next week in a practical session. Then enhancement MOSFET. Before starting enhancement, first finish the construction of depletion type. In a depletion type, the majority carrier of the SiO2 layer, oxide, it's represent SiO2. It's a silicon dioxide insulator layer and semiconductor for the basic semiconductor structure used for the device construction. It is used for the device construction in the MOSFET. If the VGS is equal to 0, You can see the construction and its working operation in first point. If the voltage is equal to 0, जर आपण इथे VGS ला काय केलं 0, गेट टर्मिनल इट्स शॉर्टेड with the source terminal. Gate terminal is shorted with the source terminal. And here you can see metal contact. Through the metal contact, N region, here majority carrier of electrons. In drain region, it's diagram number 1. I am explaining diagram number 1. Then N region, here majority carrier of the electrons. All the electrons, the direction of electrons through the current terminal of drain, because the drain terminal use the current, flowing the current through the drain terminal, because gate and source terminal connected to the ground. If the terminal is connected to ground and here no voltage is 0, because the gate terminal, gate and source terminals, its use flow the control the current, and drain terminal it used for the flow the current according to the direction of the current. Here drain current upper side of the electrons in N channel, this is also electrons. Here majority carrier of the charge, negative charge is created. The drain terminal, it is also negative. Gate terminal, it is also negative. Then source terminal, it is also negative. Means all three terminals, drain terminal, gate terminal and the source terminal, all three terminals, it is a negative terminal. Here in this diagram, the gate, only gate terminal construction. In right side gate terminal is negative. Constructions working of N channel. In N channel, here the majority carrier of electrons, and here the P. You can see P it is a substrate, positive charge. If the supply, positive region, if the holes, these holes combine with N channel, holes is moving left side of the electrons and combine with holes. This P substrate or the P region, it is created holes, means these are the positive charge. If the P region of the holes moving to the N channel, and here N channel, it is a maximum electrons, then combine with holes. If the combine with holes in P region, it is created a positive charge. This is P region, it is positive charge, and N region, it is a negative charge. But it's a combination. If holes is moving through the N region and combined with electrons. That's why here recombination process is generated. What is recombination? Combine of electrons and holes. That is meaning of the recombination. All holes attracted to negative potential at the gate. This is negative potential. Why here negative potential? But the drain is negative. Source, it is also negative, and gate terminal, it is also negative. That's why holes attracted to the negative charge. It's creating majority carrier of the flows in drain terminal, gate terminal and the source terminal negative charge. And if the metal contact through the gate terminal, then what is the use of SiO2 layer? The SiO2 layer, it is an insulating material. Insulating, it's a non-conductive material. If non-conductive material, but the SiO2, Si silicon material, O2 oxygen, and SiO2 silicon dioxide layer. Silicon dioxide layer, here the formation of junction in the terminal of gate. Gate terminal मध्ये काय झालंय आपलं जंक्शन फॉर्म झालंय. Which junction? Holes आणि electrons. It is a combine known as the diffusion process. Then diffusion process is successfully in N channel, then the current is flowing through the metal contact. It is a non-conductive material, but conductive through the SiO2 in the region. This is the direction of the current through the SiO2 layer. This is most important for SiO2 layer. Why use for SiO2 layer? It's flowing, it supports to the flowing the current in a gate terminal. Then gate terminal, the gate terminal is negative. Source is also negative. That's why here gate to source voltage is gate to source terminal is connected to ground. That's why VGS is equal to 0. But here VI characteristics, which VI characteristic? If the input voltage source to gate terminal is 0 and here applied to VDD, then
Ma'am,
if
ma'am, SiO2 layer is non-conducting material. Then how is the flowing of current?
wait. SiO2 layer, this is the metal contact. This metal contact, through the metal contact flowing the current here. That's why I am explaining again and again. Metal, the word of metal. Metal represents metallic contact. Which metallic contact? The N region and the drain. हे दोघं काय ते metallic contact साठी use करते. Then use for connecting the drain, source and gate terminal to respective regions. Metal contact कुठे connect केलंय? Drain region, gate region as well as source region to flowing the current. Then oxide, it's represent SiO2, silicon dioxide insulating layer. It's insulating layer. Which one? SiO2 and O2 to semiconductor. For the basic semiconductor structure. What is the basic semiconductor structure? If the p-n junction is formation in the diode goes to close switch and then the current is flowing through the forward bias. Here semiconductor, which semiconductor? Si is semiconductor, silicon material is added and this silicon material in a SiO2 layer. Then for the basic semiconductor structure of the construction, then combining all these terms, which one? N region, N channel as well as P region. This combines is known as recombination process through the p-n junction. Then p-n junction is formation here in N channel. The gate terminal, through the current is passing through the gate terminal, but the gate terminal is use only voltage. Gate terminal आपण voltage साठी use करतो. It is a voltage control device. That's why current is flowing through the gate terminal. In N channel, SiO2 layer and SS terminal. Majority carrier of the electrons move through this channel. Since the channel made N-type, it is called as MOSFET. Then current is flowing this direction. This is the dotted line direction. Flow the current. Here battery connected to here VDD. Then here positive supply. This terminal is the cathode. Cathode is connected to the drain terminal. Then the drain is already negative charge is created. Then the supply through the drain negative In a gate terminal, it is a junction formation. In gate terminal, here the charge is changed. Then another charge, here the source is N region. Then current is flowing through the drain terminal here. In the first point, I am explaining the drain terminal. We can use the drain terminal. We can collect them to constitute all current and flowing the current in whole circuitry. The gate is a controlling terminal. Negative positive voltage VGS will control the drain current ID. Therefore, MOSFET is a voltage control device. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next point, if the current is flowing through the drain, then N channel and then the source. If the current ID is equal to current IS, means current ID is equal to current IS. That's naming of the here substrate is connected to the ground. Here negative charge anode is connected through the some current is flowing through the substrate. If the substrate is charged, then the holes, these holes passing through the substrate काय करेल होल्सला करंट फ्लो करेल. If the passing the current through the substrate, the holes is created in a P region. This holes is created or holes is moving to the N channel, and here PN junction is formation in negative charge. If the current is positive, because the current is connected to the cathode terminal, and the VGS, here the VGS connected to negative anode terminal. That's why if current is increasing through the drain terminal, that is equal to the substrate, because if the substrate is charged, then it's connected to the P region, then P region, the maximum holes is combined with N channel and the current is flowing through the gate terminal. Then the gate terminal, current is flowing through the gate terminal, but the gate terminal and the source terminal is directly connected to ground. That's why here creating a negative charge, and the MOSFET, it is operated in N, means negative charge only, because its a channel is N channel and majority carrier of the electrons flow in the circuitry. That's why here negative charge. If the current, you can see the characteristics. ID is the drain current measuring in milliampere, 0 to 4, 8, 9, 10, according to the changes the current. If the current is increasing, then the voltage, minus voltage, because the voltage is minus. MOSFET, it is operated in negative charge because it's a majority carrier of the charge, it's electrons only. That's why here -6, -5, -4, -3. This is the voltage. According to the origin, -1, then some reading, -2, then some reading, -3, some reading. Because the drain current is equal to source current. Drain current is equal to source current. This is the concept of depletion region. The MOSFET is operated in negative bias in depletion region. That's why in a MOSFET, we can not use it as a switch. Here only negative charge is created. But enhancement MOSFET, another type of the MOSFET. This is the enhancement MOSFET. There are two types, depletion region MOSFET. In depletion region MOSFET मध्ये काय आहे, मेजॉरिटी कॅरियर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जास्ती असल्यामुळे तो पण एन चॅनल आहे. एनहान्समेंट मॉस्फेट हा पण एन चॅनल आहे. डिप्लेशन मॉस्फेट पी चॅनल पण आहे. एनहान्समेंट मॉस्फेट पी चॅनल पण आहे. देर आर टू टाइप्स, पी चॅनल एन चॅनल. पी चॅनल यानी पी रिजन्स मध्ये काय होत आहे, पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज. एन चॅनल मध्ये इट इज ए निगेटिव्ह चार्ज. बट द कन्सेप्ट ऑफ डिप्लेशन मॉस्फेट, it is majority carrier of the n channel. It is created junction form in electrons only, that's why it is created a negative charge. But the enhancement MOSFET, we can use n channel of the MOSFET, but it's flowing the current here. The enhancement MOSFET, it is a n channel, n plus. Here the n plus and the channel region. Which type of the channel region? N type of the channel region. Concept is similar in depletion region, and it is operated in negative because majority carrier of the electrons flowing through the gate terminal, source terminal, and the drain terminal. Then why use only enhancement and cannot use for the depletion? Here you can see the symbols, source, drain. Source terminal always connected to the ground. Drain terminal is always connected to the VDD, supply voltage. And the gate terminal, he can use for the additional supply voltage, means controlling the voltage gate to source. Additional supply means additional supply, you can see here. Additional enhancement MOSFET. Directly I am going for the construction. Enhancement MOSFET. Here, first diagram in depletion region. Here gate terminal and the source terminal directly connected to the ground. Here ground is connected through the substrate. But here substrate is connected before the grounding, and gate terminal and the source terminal in between. ह्या दोघांच्या बरोबर मध्ये मी काय केले, एक सप्लाय व्होल्टेज ऍड केले. That is why gate terminal can use, it is used as a voltage control device. Maximum voltage is created in input side, VGS. Positive terminal is connected to the gate. That's why here the majority carrier in holes, the negative terminal is connected to the source. Source is always negative in anode. Also here the region, which region? N region. And here N channel is connected to the gate terminal. N channel is connected to the gate terminal. In a drain terminal, here the N, here the holes. If the current here VDS, electrons attracted by the positive gate. In a depletion region मध्ये कसं होत होतं, holes it's attract to the electrons. This is the negative process. But it's a p-n junction diode. In a p-n junction diode, always electrons moving to the left side of the p region and combine with holes. This is the p-n junction formation concept. Always electrons हे move झाले पाहिजे कुठे, holes कडे. But depletion regions, it's a reverse concept. Holes is moving to the electrons. That's why here connected. That's why there it is a negative charge is created. But here electrons is moving to the positive charge. And if the positive charge is created in a p region, electrons is moving right side of the p region and combined with holes. Then some charge is connected to the substrate. The current is flowing through the substrate, and some current is flowing through the drain. and here Ig is equal to 0 because electrons is moving right side of the substrate. Then current substrate through source. That's why here Is is equal to Id. Source current is directly proportional to the drain current. That is the meaning of enhancement. And in depletion, the drain current is equal to, means drain current is directly proportional to the source current. जेवढा drain current असणार आहे तेव्हा माझा काय असेल source current असेल. But source current is equal to IDSS. IDSS म्हणजे काय ID drain current आणि SS म्हणजे extra substrate. Substrate यानी extra positive charge. This is not another concept. Extra positive charge for the substrate. Here electrons attracted by positive gate. You can see the arrow. These electrons is attracted or the moving to the holes. Positive gate terminal. Gate is positive, no? Here supply is connected. Positive terminal is the cathode and negative terminal is connected to the source. It is the anode. That's why here induced N channel. Induced N channel. Induced yani it's all electrons is moving to or attract the holes and create here P region. In a P region, it is creating the negative charge and the electrons, all electrons is moving to the positive region and created a negative charge, and that's negative charge going through the substrate. Here region depleted of the p-type carriers hole. This is holes, positive charge. All holes depleted with electrons and create a recombination process or p-n junction diffusion process. And this is the meaning of the threshold voltage. What is the threshold voltage? If the current flowing through the circuitry through the drain terminal, this drain current is directly proportional to the source current. If the supplying voltage of VGS it increased because here junction is formation. If the junction is formation, the voltage is flowing through the gate terminal. That's why VGS is increased, means gate to source voltage is increased. Then the source current is also increased. And if the source current is increased, then automatically drain current is also increased because the source is connected to ground and some current is flowing through the drain terminal. Here, ID is flowing this direction and source is flowing this direction. The drain current then starts flowing the induced channel. Which induced channel? N channel. N channel. Drain current is passing drain ID. The terminal of drain is passing the current ID. Then the VGS, its conduct being VGS increased, and that voltage is known as threshold voltage, VTH or the VT, through the source and gate terminal. This concept is known as threshold voltage of VGS. You can see the another diagram. Pinch up. What is the pinch up? All electrons. This is the हा आपला N channel आहे. In a N channel, some electrons is attracted to holes and some free electrons is moving to the N region because of in PN junction diode, the electrons is moving left side of the P region and combine with holes. but some free electrons, it's in valence band. That's why some conduction band, it is a moving to the p region, that is known as covalent band, and some electrons moving in free electrons, that is meaning of the valence band. That's why here some electrons is attracted to this upper side of the n region, and some electrons is moving to the p substrate, and here one layer is developed. That layer is known as the pinch up or beginning of the electrons. Pinch up. If the positive gate to source voltage is increased, then the VGS is also voltage is increased. That concept is known as threshold voltage of VGS. You can see the transfer characteristics. That's why MOSFET we can use in an enhancement MOSFET. It is used as a switch or it is used as a amplifier. MOSFET हा आपण amplifier पण म्हणून यूज करते किंवा switch पण म्हणून यूज करते. Why? It's use the increasing gate to source voltage is increasing, then the source terminal current is also increasing, and the drain current is the terminal. The drain terminal passing the current, and the maximum current is flowing through the electrons. And here the recombination or junction is formation in p substrate, then some current is flowing through the substrate. If the substrate is increasing, then the current is flowing through the whole circuitry. This concept is known as pinch up or the beginning of transistor. That's why transistor MOSFET is on, the gate to source voltage is on. MOSFET is off, then the VGS is equal to 0. This is the characteristic. Here non-saturation. There are 3 regions in a MOSFET. In a BJT, there are also 3 regions: cutoff region, saturation region, and active region. And 2 junctions, base to collector junction and base to emitter junction. But it is very different in a MOSFET. BJT and MOSFET, it is very different. In a BJT, one is the cutoff region, second is the saturation region, and third one the ohmic region. Ohmic, it's a linearity. If the increasing the voltage, then the current is also increasing. Which current? Drain current. Here in a BJT मध्ये कसं होतंय, इनपुट व्होल्टेज इन्क्रीज केला तर इनपुट करंट इन्क्रीज होतो, आउटपुट व्होल्टेज इन्क्रीज केला तर आउटपुट करंट इन्क्रीज होतो. But here input voltage is increases, then measuring the output current. Output current ID. If the current is increases, then the voltage VGS also increases. It is the inversely proportional to threshold voltage. That's why MOSFET you can use voltage control device. Then last point, advantages and disadvantages of the MOSFET. Enhancement MOSFET, small size, it's a high frequency, you can use for the switch. Also it is a drop of voltage. That is disadvantages of the MOSFET. Comparison, you can see. This diagram is most important for the linear saturation region. If the MOSFET it works as a switch, then the VGS gate to source voltage is increases, then the output drain current is also increases after the PN junction formation. If the PN junction is formation, then the formation of the barrier potential voltage is increases. This voltage is increases, then the current is flowing through the substrate. And here the voltage VGS we can use controlling the gate terminal, because majority carrier of the electrons here negative charge. That's why gate terminal we can controlling the voltage. in negative charge. Here the VI characteristics, if the voltage is increased, then the current is also increased. Here the IDSS is the line is upper side because the transistor or any types of the diode, transistor, MOSFET, it works in a PN junction formation. It's required 0.7 voltage because it is using silicon material only. In a silicon material, we can use in a PN junction formation, the diffusion process is required cut-in voltage 0.7 volts. That's why this voltage is naming of threshold voltage. 0.7 VGS is threshold voltage. जसं आपण डायोड मध्ये काय म्हणतोय, कट ऑफ व्होल्टेज म्हणते. बीजेटी मध्ये काय म्हणतो, कट इन व्होल्टेज म्हणतात. तसं मॉस्फेट यू कॅन यूज अ थ्रेशोल्ड व्होल्टेज. And here the region, linear region, that's why threshold voltage is greater than 0.7 volt. Transistor MOSFET, its work, then the current is flowing through. Output current, drain current, its work through the whole circuitry. That is mean here ID is on, then VGS is on. VGS voltage is increasing. If the current is increasing, then according to the voltage is increasing. Here the comparison of the BJT and MOSFET. Yes, any doubt? Kasturi, Aditya, Tilak, Darshan.
Hello,
All of you
madam.
understand. All the students you can understand or not construction and working. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
there
ma'am.
is doubt.
Huh?
Ma'am, in deflation and in enhance mode, ma'am.
हाँ, in enhance mode में your voice is not clear. Who is talking? Okay, Darshan. हाँ. Yes, Darshan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in deflation MOSFET and enhance mode MOSFET.
What is the difference in depletion and enhancement MOSFET? Na?
Yes, ma'am.
In a depletion region मध्ये कसं असते, ही आपली ह्याची PN जंक्शन डायोडची डायग्राम आहे. यू कॅन सी हिअर. हा मॉस्फेट आहे. हा मॉस्फेट आहे. ओके, कन्स्ट्रक्शन दिसलं, हे एनहान्समेंटचं मॉस्फेट आहे. एनहान्समेंट मॉस्फेट मध्ये काय होते, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जे एन चॅनल मध्ये जे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत ते होल्स कडे मूव्ह होतात. ऑलवेज PN जंक्शन फॉर्मेशन कसं आहे आपलं, द PN जंक्शन फॉर्मेशन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज मूव्हिंग विथ P region and combine with holes. But depletion region मध्ये काय होतंय, रिव्हर्स होतंय. डिप्लेशन मध्ये निगेटिव्ह चार्ज जास्ती असल्यामुळे होल्स हे इलेक्ट्रॉन सोबत कंबाईन होतात. तिथे रिकॉम्बिनेशन हे होल्स आणि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होत आहे. If the holes is combined in n channel, then majority of the carrier in electrons only in depletion region. You can see. ही इथे डायग्राम आहे. हे सगळे इकडे लेफ्ट साइड राइट साइडला होल्स आहेत. हे पी सबस्ट्रेट मध्ये. बट इन अ पी सबस्ट्रेट ऑल पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज ऑफ द होल्स कंबाईन विथ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. हे इकडे कंबाईन होतात. त्याच्यामुळे गेट टर्मिनल काय होते, झिरो होते. गेट टर्मिनलचा जो करंट आहे किंवा व्होल्टेज जे आहे ते ऑटोमॅटिकली झिरो होते. कारण ह्यामध्ये करंट जो फ्लो होतोय तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज कडनं फ्लो होतोय, नॉट अगेन निगेटिव्ह चार्ज कडनं. करंट कसा फ्लो होतोय, जिकडे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मूव्ह होत आहेत तिकडनं नाही फ्लो होत, जिकडे होल्स मूव्ह होतात तिकडनं मूव्ह होतो. कारण बिकॉज ऑलवेज करंट इज मूव्हिंग अपोजिट डायरेक्शन्स ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. कळलं?
येस मॅम, समजलं.
इलेक्ट्रॉन हे जर पॉझिटिव्ह साइडनं मूव्ह होत असेल तर करंट हा निगेटिव्ह साइडनं मूव्ह होतोय. पण डिप्लिशन रिजन मध्ये काय होतंय, करंट हा ऑलरेडी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मधनच चाललाय ना, कारण तो ड्रेनला कनेक्ट आहे. That's why it is opposite direction. Always current is flowing opposite directions of the electrons. Then depletion region is majority carrier of the electrons only, and in enhancement MOSFETs is a majority carrier of the holes as well as electrons. That is the combined process. रिकॉम्बिनेशन. जेवढा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हा माझा होल्स मधनं जातोय, जेवढा माझा करंट हा होल्स मधनं जातोय, तेवढाच करंट हा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मधनं पण फ्लो होतोय. दिस कन्सेप्ट इज नोन ॲज द थ्रेशोल्ड व्होल्टेज ऑफ इनपुट साइड. त्याला मी काय म्हणते, VGS म्हणते. जर माझं VGS व्होल्टेज इन्क्रीज झालं तर काय होतोय, इनपुट करंट आउटपुट करंट पण इन्क्रीज होतोय. इनपुट करंट तर झिरोच आहे. इनपुट करंट झिरोच आहे. का झिरो आहे, तर गेट टर्मिनल मी कशासाठी यूज करते, ओनली व्होल्टेज कंट्रोल करण्यासाठी, आणि त्याची कॅपॅसिटी तीच आहे. त्याची कॅपॅसिटी करंट कंट्रोल करण्याची नाहीच आहे. करंट कंट्रोल करण्यासाठी आपण बीजेटी यूज करतोय, बरोबर. आणि मॉस्फेट हा आपण व्होल्टेज कंट्रोल करण्यासाठी यूज करतोय. ओके, हिअर यू कॅन सी the BJT and MOSFET difference. It is current control, it is voltage control. BJT, it is bipolar, means it's moving two ways. Emitter base, always collector base. And here only unipolar, because current हा फक्त drain मधनं flow होतोय, not source or gate. Gate terminal मधनं माझा काय flow होतोय, voltage flow होतोय. Source terminal, this is also voltage, and the drain terminal, it is used current. That's why unipolar. Runway, it's a thermal runway. It is also not used because it's a damage to BJT and does not take place. हे त्याच्यामध्ये नाहीच आहे thermal runway, because he directly threshold voltage will get in a input side voltage. BJT मध्ये मला threshold voltage मिळते. याच्यामध्ये इनपुट रेजिस्टन्स खूप लो आहे. लो आहे म्हणजे 10 ओहम किंवा 20 ओहम ला पण बीजेटी वर्क करते, but MOSFET is not working in input low. It's require output resistance is very high. It is linear, is non-linear. You can see on the screen according to the, because only 1 minute is left, time is over. Is the application of MOSFET already done? It's a very high input impedance, required battery, small size, high frequencies. These advantages of enhancement MOSFET. It's a higher power, handling precautions required to follow, voltage drop, large voltage drop, where gate to source voltage, and that voltage is known as threshold voltage. This is the voltage is dropping in an enhancement MOSFET. This is the structure of the NPN and PNP for the enhancement MOSFET operating in two way. जर आपण डायोड यूज करत असेल सिंगल डायोड, तर तो पीएन जंक्शन डायोड असतो. जर दोन डायोड यूज करून आपण काय इम्प्लिमेंट करते, एक ट्रान्झिस्टर इम्प्लिमेंट करते, आणि दोन ट्रान्झिस्टर यूज करून काय इम्प्लिमेंट करते, one MOSFET implement करतो. This is the concept of enhancement MOSFET using the transistors. And here transistor as well region with a MOSFET in N MOSFET, and here P MOSFET. It's the combine of the P MOSFET, majority carrier of the holes for the PNP transistor, and here NPN transistor, majority carrier of the electrons. That's why enhancement MOSFET, we can use a transistor as a switch. The next lecture we will continue for the operational amplifier. Okay. Thank you all. I am stop here recording. Okay, recording is